It's your favorite realtor, TJ Francisco, and as a realtor, I know the change of season isn't just about changing your shorts for sweaters. It's also a perfect time to get your home ready for the colder weather. Whether you're planning on selling or you just want to protect your investment, here is your essential fall prep list. First, let's talk about your home's exterior. Fall curb appeal matters, especially if you are considering selling. Rake the leaves and keep the sidewalks clear. Trim shrubs and overhanging branches. Plant seasonal flowers like mums for some color pop in the front of your house. Power washing your siding and cleaning windows for a fresh look before winter. Next, protect your home from seasonal damage. Clean out the gutters to prevent water backup and ice damming. Inspect your roof for missing shingles. Seal gaps around windows and doors to keep critters and cold air out. Drain and store garden hoses to avoid bursting pipes. A comfortable home is an attractive home for you and potential buyers. Schedule a furnace tune-up and change the air filters. Reverse ceiling fans to push the warm air down. Test your fireplace if you do have one. It's definitely a selling feature that buyers love for the colder months. Test smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, replacing the batteries. Make sure you have fire extinguishers and they are up to date. By checking these items on your list now, you'll be ready to enjoy a cozy, stress-free fall. And if you're planning to sell, you'll be one step ahead for the competition. If you'd like a free seasonal home checklist or want to know what your home could sell for in this fall, please give me a call. I'm TJ Francisco with Francisco Real Estate. Thank you for watching my video.